In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule stories on Planoly. Now, for many of us, social media planning is a critical part of our digital marketing strategy. And Planoly makes this process a whole lot easier, especially when it comes to managing and scheduling Instagram stories. Let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to the website of Planoly. This is your starting point. Planoly offers a user-friendly interface designed for easy navigation and functionality, making it perfect for social media planners and marketers. Once you're on the home page, move your mouse to hover over the login button. This is where the journey to scheduling your Instagram stories begins. Clicking on login takes you a step further into accessing the full capabilities of Planoly. Now it's time to click on Social Planner. This specific function allows you to organize and schedule your social media content across different platforms seamlessly. Planoly's Social Planner is particularly designed to help you manage your content effectively. After clicking on Social Planner, you'll be prompted to log in. This step involves entering your login credentials, including your username and password. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Filling out your information correctly will ensure you get full access to Planoly's features. Once you're logged in, head over to the Planoly Social Content Planner. This is where the magic happens. The planner is essentially your dashboard from where you can manage and visualize your entire social media strategy. It's time to create a new post. Look for the New Post button and click on it. This action is going to enable you to start the process of scheduling a new piece of content for your Instagram stories or any other social platform you want to use. The next step involves selecting your desired social media channel. In this case, since we are focusing on Instagram, go ahead and select Instagram from the Select Channels options. This specifies where you want your content to be published. Now, let's schedule the timing for your post. Select the date and time you want your Instagram story to go live. This is crucial for ensuring your content reaches your audience at the optimal time for engagement. Planoly offers a convenient calendar and clock tool for this purpose. After setting the date and time, it's important to select the type of post you're scheduling. Since we're focusing on Instagram stories, click on Grid Post and then Story. This ensures that your content is formatted correctly for Instagram stories. We're almost there. The next step is to add your content. On the drag and drop section, select the file you wish to add to your story. This can be an image, a video, or any other creative you've prepared for your audience. Adding high quality and engaging content is key to captivating your audience. Finally, once your content is ready and scheduled at the right time, hit the schedule button, and that's it. Your Instagram story is now scheduled and will automatically be posted at the designated time. Quick tips to remember: always ensure your content aligns with your overall social media strategy and voice. Also, take advantage of Planoly's analytics to measure the performance of your stories, allowing you to adjust your strategy accordingly. Scheduling stories on Planoly not only helps in keeping your social media calendar organized, but also ensures you maintain a consistent presence on Instagram, engaging your followers regularly without having to be online 24/7. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to scheduling Instagram stories with Planoly. This tool simplifies social media management, allowing you to focus more on content creation and less on the logistics of posting. Give it a try and see how it transforms your social media strategy. Remember, the digital world moves fast, and staying ahead with tools like Planoly can make all the difference in your social media success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you navigate the digital space more effectively. Happy planning!